Hello students, welcome to my channel and welcome to my today's topic. Today our topic is acid. Okay, so already in the lower classes we know about the substance, matter, okay, gases, solids, liquids, the states of the substances or matter. Now we'll learn about the acid in this part. Basically, acid is a substance with particular chemical properties, including all the properties it has, like it turns blue litmus red, neutralize alkalis, and dissolves some metals. Okay, so the simple definition of acid is it is a chemical species that donates protons or hydrogen ions and or accepts electrons. Okay, actually, the word acid comes from the Latin words acidus, which mean sour. Since one of the characteristics of acids in water is a sour in taste, like vinegar or lemon juice. Okay, so what are the basic properties of acid? Acids have sour in taste. It turns blue litmus red. Okay, blue litmus in red. Acid solution conducts electricity also, and it releases H plus ions in aqueous solution. Okay, so here if we add acid with water, then H plus ion will be produced or released by this solution. Okay, if you take the example, we may take the example that is sulfuric acid H2SO4. Okay, nitric acid HNO3. Okay, then we can take acetic acid, that is CH3COOH. So all these are the types of acids, and one organic acid you can say that C2H2O4, that is known as oxalic acid. Okay, all these are known as the acids. Okay, now go to the types of acid. So basically, the acids are divided into two types on the basis of their occurrence. One is natural acid and another one is mineral acids. So at first we are taking natural acids. The acids which are obtained from the natural sources are called natural acids or organic acids. For example, you can take methanoic acid, that is HCOOH. Then you can take oxalic acid C2H2O4. Okay, got it? So all these are the types of natural acids. So here is a list of different types of natural acids with their chemical formula: oxalic acid, fumaric acid, malic acid, ascorbic acid, okay, adipic acid, tartaric acid. Okay, so what are the sources of these types of acids? Look at the picture. Formic acid is found in ant. Okay, apple contains malic acid, curd or you can say that milk contains lactic acid, grapes contains tartaric acid, tomato contains oxalic acid, lemon contains citric acids. So all these are the natural source of these natural acids. Here is the table, the acids and their sources. Okay, so look it very carefully, it is very much important to you. Vinegar contains acetic acid, sour milk or curd contains lactic acid, orange contains citric acid, lemon contains citric acid, and sting formic acid, apples malic acid, turmeric tartaric acid, and tomatoes oxalic acids. Okay, and also we will have another type of natural acids. So now we will go for the next slide. Mineral acids. Actually, the acids that are prepared from minerals are known as the mineral acids. Example: HCl, nitric acid, sulfuric acid. Here it is nitric acid, sulfuric acid, boric acid, phosphoric acid, and all these type of acids are known as the mineral acids. And these acids also known as the man-made acids or synthetic acids, or you can say that inorganic acids. Okay, so natural acids are known as the organic acid, okay, but mineral acids are known as the inorganic acids or synthetic acids. Got it? So here you become to know the difference between the natural acid and the mineral acid, okay, and also the examples and sources also. Okay, now if the question is what is the source of ascorbic acid, the sources of ascorbic acid are guava and amla. Okay,